What is your full name?
My full name is John Smith.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet 6 inches tall.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are brown.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my parents.
What is in your bag?
I have a book, a pen, and my phone.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Do you like cars?
Yes, I like cars.
What is your favorite car?
My favorite car is a Tesla.
Do you have a watch?
Yes, I have a watch.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone.
Do you wear glasses?
No, I don't wear glasses.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
Do you take a taxi?
Sometimes, I take a taxi.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a job.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Do you work every day?
Yes, I work 5 days a week.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you work with a team?
Yes, I work with a team.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, I take a lunch break.
Do you wear a uniform at work?
No, I don't wear a uniform.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots and spinach.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink water every day.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook with my family.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, I eat fast food.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I like snow.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is very cold.
Do you like hot weather?
No, I don't like hot weather.
Do you wear a coat in winter?
Yes, I wear a warm coat.
Do you swim in summer?
Yes, I swim in summer.
Is it windy today?
No, it is not windy.
Do you like the spring?
Yes, I love the spring season.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am.
Do you feel happy?
Yes, I feel happy.
Are you sick?
No, I am not.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every day.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I do.
Are you busy today?
No, I am not busy.
Do you feel cold?
No, I feel warm.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink a lot of water.
Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Do you visit your parents?
Yes, I visit them every weekend.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
Do you talk to your neighbors?
Yes, I do.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have pets?
No, I don't.
Do you go out with your friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family very much.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the mall.
What do you buy?
I buy clothes.
Do you like expensive things?
No, I don't.
Do you use cash or a card?
I use a card.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I do.
How often do you shop?
I shop once a week.
Do you like discounts?
Yes, I love discounts.
What is your favorite store?
My favorite store is Zara.
Do you buy gifts?
Yes, I buy gifts for my friends.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Paris.
Do you travel by plane?
Yes, I do.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Have you been to another country?
Yes, I have.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is New York.
Do you like hotels?
Yes, I like hotels.
Do you travel with your family?
Yes, I do.
What do you take when you travel?
I take clothes and a camera.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, I like it.
What is your best friend like?
She is kind and funny.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Yes, I talk to them every day.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Is your home big or small?
My home is small but comfortable.
Do you watch videos on YouTube?
Yes, I watch videos on YouTube every day.
Do you like video calls?
Yes, I enjoy video calls with my friends.
How long do you sleep?
I sleep for 8 hours.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I go to bed early.
Do you go to the doctor when you're sick?
Yes, I go to the doctor when I feel unwell.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!